In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on all chat notifications on Zoom app. We're focusing on the desktop app for Windows and Mac, and by the end, you'll have Zoom set to alert you for every chat message, so nothing slips through the cracks. Start by opening the Zoom app and signing in. If you're not already signed in, you'll land on the sign-in screen first. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the app window for your profile picture or your initials. Click there, and from the drop-down menu, choose Settings. If you don't see a drop-down, look for a small gear icon labeled Settings. It takes you to the same place. Inside Settings, navigate to the Chat section. Depending on your Zoom version, this may be labeled Team Chat or Chat and Notifications. The naming can vary slightly, but you're aiming for the chat-related area. Once you're there, find the Push Notifications section. This is where Zoom controls when it alerts you about incoming messages. Select All Messages. This setting ensures you receive a notification for every chat, whether it's a one-on-one, a group message, or a team channel post. It's the most comprehensive option, and it's ideal if you don't want to miss anything important. If you've previously set Zoom to only notify on mentions or direct messages, switching to all messages overrides that and expands your alerts to everything. You'll also see options to manage exceptions for specific channels or chats. This is a great way to keep things productive without turning the alerts into noise. For example, if a busy channel doesn't need constant attention, you can set that specific channel to mentions only, while everything else remains on all messages. Think of the global setting as your default, and these exceptions as fine-tuning for special cases. The interface may give you a Manage or Exceptions button. Use that to pick the channels or chats you want to customize and set their notification behavior. If you'd like a bit more context when alerts pop up, you can enable Show Message Preview. With this on, notifications will display a snippet of the incoming message, helping you decide quickly whether to respond now or later. Just keep in mind that previews can show on your screen during meetings or screen shares, so turn it off if you need extra privacy. That's it. With all messages enabled, sensible exceptions applied, and preview set to your preference, your Zoom chats will be reliably front and center, exactly when you need them.